Today we're going to be checking out something that's uniquely Australian, and that's the Australia's Burger with the Lot.
Get to see a little bit about this. We have actually recently traveled to Australia. If you want to check out our vlogs, you can check them out on TriFate Lifestyle. You can see that.
Every week on Wednesdays when we post those videos. Unfortunately, we did not get a burger with the Lot.
No. The only burgers we did get to try burgers with the Australian beef.
Mm-hmm.
That's a little bit of a spoiler for an upcoming video we have, but we never actually got a good high quality burger.
We should have. I mean, we were more focused on like other things, like, and we got like steak sandwiches, parmies, stuff like that. Check out our vlogs if you want to see our experiences there. But yeah, it is. Next time we go to Australia, and we are planning to go to Australia again. Australia was fantastic. We got to try this.
This is just, we had to learn about it first, so then we can eat it later.
Exactly. Let's check it out. Here we go.
Let's make burgers.
I'm so hungry right now. That looks so good. Just the basic burger.
Welcome back to Burger Scholar headquarters. I have to tell you, I really miss being on the road. I mean, I like being here with you people.
Interesting set of ingredients right there. Got the pineapple, the...
what is that?
I don't know.
I guess he'll say it.
I really miss travel and getting out there and eating burgers with amazing people in far off places. So today we're going to take an imaginary trip to Australia. Today we're going to explore a controversial icon of Australian cuisine, the Burger with the Lot. You've heard of it before, I'm sure. Wait until you see what goes on
That does
this
look
thing.
insane.
It's crazy.
That's a tall one.
I'm always happy to see what happens to the American burger when it goes abroad. Like the Islak burger in Turkey, Buff Sandwich of Denmark, and the Sloppy Burger of Malaysia. There's fierce debate about what should be on the Burger with the Lot, but there's one ingredient that has to be on the burger to make it an official Aussie burger, and that is, ready for this one? Beetroot. That's right, this burger includes that earthy tuber, everyone's favorite.
I don't know about
beetroot.
that.
And there are some very
What
outspoken
is
critics.
beetroot? I feel like it's been in things that we've ordered before, and then I like take a bite and I'm like, oh, and then I just don't eat it anymore.
And I feel like it's sometimes Thanksgiving. People have like the beetroot thing. I feel like that's the only reason I've seen that before in that sort of shape.
That's so interesting.
Burger, like Chef David Chang, who once famously said, Australians fuck up burgers more than anyone in the world.
Whoa.
I'm not here to judge. I'm here to make the burger that they love so much. But first, let's talk to someone in Australia who knows his burgers. My friend Jimmy Hurlston in Melbourne. What's up, buddy?
Did he just say Melbourne?
That's what I've got here. It's your book. Jimmy is the me of Australia.
I'm flattered.
Jimmy, the big question I have for you, other than why, but what is going on? What elements should there be at the very bare minimum in Burger with the Lot?
George, you and I both agree this is definitely somewhat of a travesty when it comes to hamburgers. But I think that you've got
It's crazy that people would be like all worked up about that when you see some of the mega loaded burgers in the US, and that's fine.
Yeah, they throw anything on burgers in the US. Those random like gastropubs that have their curd burger with cheese curds.
I'll take that. I'll take
onion
that.
rings.
What about in Georgia when you inject it with cheese?
Yeah.
beetroot, it's crucial. Egg is crucial.
Egg.
And pineapple is essential. You're always going to have an issue finding one of the ingredients, the bacon that they use in Australia.
Do you mean rashers?
Yeah, middle rashers from the loin part of the pig. Ketchup and barbecue sauce sometimes. And
We always wondered what rashers were. We just got an
We
explanation.
just heard it. I guess it's actually different.
bun, sesame seeds on a bun.
I'm gathering this is an iconic burger, but is it really? I mean, is it surrounded with pride? Is it like swimming with nostalgia?
There's a hell of a lot of nostalgia, absolutely. If you talk to a young person about a burger and what they expect in a burger in Australia, you'll get a description. But if you do it in front of their parents are going to chime in and say, "What do you mean? There's no egg on that burger. It's no good. If it doesn't have egg and beetroot, burger with a lot of, forget about it, mate. Don't worry about it."
Thank you. So good talking to you.
My pleasure. On you, Cobb. You have a bloody ripper, eh?
Woohoo! Let's make a burger. This burger has a lot
I'm
of
very
crazy
curious
ingredients.
to see what he will think.
What the fuck's on there? Ugh. Little flag in there. Hello. 3 things happening first. 3. Ow.
You just put
fucker.
those on there raw?
Sorry. Salt your patties. It's got to be big. Cook a couple of rashers.
chunky patty.
It
Well,
is.
we're using bacon, butter, and toast.
It'd be good with the rashers for sure.
Yeah. This part is ow, fucker.
Okay.
Okay.
Burgers arrived in Australia in the 1930s with Greek immigrants, but not from Greece. They actually emigrated from the United States. This checks out because Greeks were very influential in starting the hamburger business in the U.S.
Really?
Iceberg lettuce on the bottom. On top of that,
They always say it was
tomato,
Germans
some sliced
from Hamburg,
pickle.
but they just made the patty. They didn't make it into the sandwich,
Yeah, they didn't
right?
add the cheese. And all
Yeah,
that.
they didn't make it into the
I'm using pickled
sandwich.
beetroot because it tastes a little bit better. The traditional way to use beetroot on a burger is not pickled. Let's talk about beetroot. Why is there beetroot on this burger? We do know that beetroot was in surplus in the 1920s and 30s in Australia, and at some
Makes
point
sense.
it's believed that Australians put beetroot on a burger and fed it to U.S. Marines who were stationed in Australia in the 1950s as a joke.
What?
And it stuck. Whoops.
Weird.
And now, of course,
But then why wouldn't that
decades
come to
later,
America with the soldiers? They're
Yeah.
like, hey, that's good.
There's nothing but pride with beetroot on a burger. Cheese. Okay, put the rashes. These are grilled
That's a
onions.
tall burger.
I'm gonna cook an egg. This is gonna be kind of complicated. I don't know how they time this shit. Okay, take this off of here. Look at that.
It
I
wouldn't be
didn't burn
very fun to
myself.
cook that. It'd
Yeah.
take forever.
Crack an egg. What's happening next? I
Might be
forgot.
hard to eat,
Oh,
too.
it's fucking pineapple. A slice of pineapple. Then
Should've
the
grilled
burger
it.
patty. Holy shit! Look at that.
What
Now,
the?
That's
on
so
the top
much.
of the bun, inside here, I'm gonna put barbecue sauce. Oh fuck! I just knocked it
Ooh,
over.
barbecue sauce.
Jesus, you Australians are wacky, I tell you. Oh,
I was hoping that was something different than barbecue
sorry.
sauce.
That was really fucking hot.
It looks
If you're in
slightly
Sydney, for
different.
example,
Yeah.
they use
more gravy.
barbecue sauce. Okay, egg. Top of this.
Oh my gosh,
there we
that's so
go.
tall.
How's this?
How do you get your mouth
Wish
around
me luck,
that?
people. I'm going in face first. Oh god. Oh yeah.
He's
no,
definitely
okay.
gonna burn
I
his
got
mouth
this.
too.
I got this. People are insane, I tell you.
Wow.
He got it.
Oh,
Yep, there's the burn.
hot. Okay. Wow.
A lot of
Oh,
noises
there we go.
going on.
Oh man, that's actually good. Beetroot. That's good. Not too weird. Burger with a lot. Very good. But I need to
Not
come to
too
Australia.
weird.
Invite me to Australia, and I'll come and eat the real thing with you. There's a lot more to know out there. There's a lot more knowledge to know. I am not an all-knowing burger scholar. I am constantly learning, constantly testing, and researching and finding out things. Thank you. I'll see you next time.
All right, interesting. So he seemed like he was liking it quite a bit. I would be curious what I'd think of that. I feel like everything would be good. The pineapple and the beetroot would be a little weird.
There's always the debate about pineapple on pizza, but you never hear pineapple on burgers as a debate. I wonder what the average American would think of pineapple on burgers. There are definitely some burgers that are served with pineapple.
We've had it before.
Yeah.
In the Philippines, they have that. So we've had it before, and it's like actually not bad.
No, yeah, it's a solid combo, especially when it's not like cold, like when it's like a little bit warm.
But what
and
if you mix
matches it?
egg and beetroot and onions and everything else on there?
I feel like surprisingly the egg might actually throw it off a bit because I would just associate it with like a breakfast sandwich a little bit, and then actually it's a burger.
I think I've had it. I can't remember. I feel like I have had a burger with an egg on it before, and it was pretty good. But it's not that common.
No, you don't see it that much, I feel like.
Maybe a lot of burger places have one with an egg on it. Maybe. But yeah, all of those together though.
Yeah. Next time we're in Australia, we're gonna have to try it.
I'm trying it. Is barbecue sauce a requirement?
It seemed like the chef guy, the Australian chef guy, said like, oh, sometimes barbecue and the ketchup.
I feel like that would ruin it for me.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Goodbye, fellas.